Neck too red, my neck's too red.
Welcome back, everybody. Frankenstein C20 here today. So today we're back again. It's starting to warm up again in Missouri, and we're going to get out here and get some brakes on the old Pontiac Grand Am here. So we're going to get the windshield put in Tuesday, brakes today, and get this thing licensed and get it down to Sikeston for No Name Nationals this year. So that's the plan for this car. Of course, we're bringing a truck also, and yeah. So today, front brakes on this, and about it. We're going to put this in the 6-cylinder class, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some tools and get started with this, and we'll show you the brakes on here and see what's up.
Neck too red, my neck's too red. They said my neck's too red. Yeah, they said my dream was a dead end. They said people like me don't trend. Said my slang won't ever get it. They said my neck was too red. Neck too red. Boy, your neck's too red. My neck's too red. My town 90% white. Blame God for my southern roots. Thank him also cause I got the juice. Leaving marks all on these music dudes. Like burnout stew with a 302. Weed him, holla boys. Tatted up, mixed teeth and scars. Gang shit off the front, boy. Grew up on a blowtorch. We ain't know no Scotch torch. All we knew was Island Rim. Case of beer at some race stars. Alpha male with the straight bars. Dixie made me do it like I do. And if you got a problem with my side of town, just know we ain't finna budge for you. They said my neck's too red. Yeah, they said my dream was a dead end. They said people like me don't trend. Said my slang won't ever get it. They said my neck was too red. Neck too red. Boy, your neck's too red. My neck's too red. They gon' have to wait till I die. I done made it up too high. With the system I won't fly. No rich folks to ride me with rides. I done bought them all, left them in the field. Shit, my daily driver is a rat ride. The day I was born in Music City is the day that mainstream got outlawed. Here's the devil's dead stare. I ain't never scared. Roll with me or without me, either way I'm still here. Yeah, I'm still here. Going on like 10 years. Up motherfucking church 615 till I'm out of here. They said my neck's too red. Yeah, they said my dream was a dead end. They said people like me don't trend. Said my slang won't ever get it. They said my neck was too red. neck to red, my neck's to